Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains forward edge timing chain noise and discusses what could be causing unusual sounds from the engine in certain situations. The timing chain is designed to synchronize internal engine components, and when abnormal noise is present, it can indicate that the system is no longer operating as smoothly as intended. Timing chain design and engine configurations can differ by model year and powertrain, so this concern may not apply uniformly to every forward edge. Based on documented automotive service information, timing chain noise may indicate chain wear, tension-related irregularities, or issues with associated components that guide or control chain movement. In some cases, lubrication-related factors or operating conditions could be a potential contributing factor. Older generations may experience wear over extended mileage, while newer models could show different patterns depending on engine design and maintenance history. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve proper inspection of the timing system to determine whether noise levels fall outside normal operating characteristics. If abnormal wear or component malfunction is confirmed, corrective repairs may be required to prevent further engine damage. Early evaluation is important, as prolonged operation with timing-related issues can increase repair complexity. In summary, timing chain noise on the forward edge can have multiple underlying explanations depending on vehicle age, usage, and engine configuration. Accurate diagnosis is essential, as not every engine noise is directly related to the timing chain. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.